start. Running ESW for 2, no good. Rebound by number 27. Easy 1-2, steal. Intercepted by number 9. Steal by number 13. 13, balikin 21, Tuloy Andres. Wala, no good. Rebound by number 24. Sinap sa labas. Good. Skirmish. 81. Good for 2. May masaya sa gilid dito. 27. Foul. Who's foul, Brett? Foul number 9. First personal, first team foul. Shots. First shot. Pasok. One-handed shot. Second attempt. Walk. One-handed shooter talaga. Abdul Karim Jabbar. 81, pass to number 9, 9. Penetrates, pass by 20, no good. Iwa, rebound by number Steele. Good for 2. Number 13. Number 14, Tuloy Andres. Pasok. Yan na. Number 9, penetrate, steal from behind. Bola ng Batang Rebels. Cornel. 21, pinasa sa ilalim, mismatch. Foul. Foul number 81. First personal, second team foul. One hand shot lift. Bang, Tiso Gaming. Second attempt. Wala. Out of 4 sa mga trippers niya. Number 9, Tuloy Andres. Pasok. Good save by number 9. Number 13 to number 21. 21 to 6. No good. Rebound by number 81. Steal pa rin. Pasok. Back to number 9. Number 81, foul. Foul number 13. First personal, first team foul. First attempt, no good. Second free throw. Pasok. Yung mga bagong dating, lapit ko muna dito para sulat yung number, please. 14. Tuloy Andres. No good. Diretso na. Number 9. Good for 2. Pass break play. Nako. Wala. Good take by number 21. Hindi mo ba sabi? Parang si 24. Palit bola. Tuwa na. All 10 to score. Traveling violation. No next step. Number 9. 2. 27. Great job kay number 9. Number 9, nagpapasahan. 14 to shoot. Number 9. Ganda ng pasa. Lumalaban. Number 21, stop. Binalik kay 21, tumira. Inabas, 15 to shoot. 13. Walang tawag. Goods daw, goods. 27, 24. 24 drives. Challenge si number 27. Bang! Last na yun ang ano. Number 13. To 21. Bounce pass to 27. No good. Tuwa na number 20. 21. Lamang na ng 4 ang ESW. 13. Binababa ang bola. Pass to number 6, biglang tumira ng 3. Bang. Next possession. 20, no good. 21, easy 2. Change 5, change 5. Isa lang ang lamang. Number 26, tumirang 3. No good. Rebound by number 7. 7 to 31. 31 to 20. To 17. Intercepted. Masyado mababa yung bounce pass. The good steal by number 26. 26. Napitawan. Naglarong ko na. Pumay. Good for 2. Number 5. No good by number 18. 231. 31. Binababa ang bola. Pinasa ilalim. Vega. No good. Reverse. Number 5. No good. Rebound by number 0. 0 to 31. To number 17, your drop. Lamang lang yung 5. Number 5. 8 to shoot. Pasok. 31, pinababa bola. Hanap na mismatch. Umasa kay 20. 20. Drives. Baba, foul sa baba. First personal, second team foul. Six, Tumira, perimeter. No good. Rebound by number 20. 20 binababa. Pass to number 7. Bounce pass to 31. Binalik kay 20. Tumira 3. Nilabas. Kuha ni number 8. Steal by number 31. 31 drive. No good. 20. Foul. Foul by number 26. First personal, 13 foul. First attempt. Pasok. Parang nilagay lang. Second attempt. No good. Rebound by number 15. Nara sa 15. No good ulit. Sa ulit na kakuha. No good pa rin. Foul ulit. Who's foul rep? 88. First personal, 14 foul by number 18. First attempt. In and out. 88. Pasok. Number 5, drive. No good. 20-15. Blocked from behind by number 8. Marcel. Tumira. Bang. Tama ba? 26 na siya, no? May break. 26. 2, 18. No good. Nakuha number 7. 20, easy 2. 10 na. Tumira 3. No good. Rebound by number 20. Nineteen seconds. Hindi niya sa akin. First quarter. Traveling violation. 8 seconds. Running time tayo, ha? And that's the first quarter. Black ball. Unang bola ng ESW. tumiran tres. Pasok. Lating backlet. Basic na basic lang. 27. 28. Diniskarte. Balikin 27. Tumiran tres. No good. Lugi sa rebound. Nakuha yung 27. Tumiran tres. Air ball. 14 drives. Pass to 21. Nilagay na. 27. 28. 81 drives. Intercept. No good. Rebound by 27. Natayo na lang. 20. Kuha bola. Kick. Bola na block. To 18. 13 pala yan. Tumirang press ulit. Pasok. Parang nilalagay lang. Basic lang yung 3 points eh. Bounce pass. No good. 21. Pinapaba ang bola. Binalikod kay number 6. Tumira ulit ng press. Kala ko heat check. Labalik to K6. Pass to 13. Discard na lang. 8 to shoot. Floater. Good for 2. No good. Rebound by 27. To 13. Hindi na nag-bounce. Yeah. 81 pala to. Pass through body. Nakuha ni number 21. Inulit si 21. Good for 2. Next possession. 18. Bound. Wala. See by number 27. 27. Floater. Kagawa. No good. Rebound by 14. 13. Cornell. Pass to 21. Mirasal. No good. Rebound by number 27. Steal. Setting on the line. Timeout. ESW. To the ball game. Pasok. Good for 3. Pass to number 6. Balikin 13. Mismatch sa ilalim. Pasok. Konting push. Back to 81. Tumiran tres. No good. Rebound by. Nakuha ni number 27. Tumiran tres. Pasok. Pass to number 6. Balikin 13. Cornell. Rebound tumiran tres. Bang. Meron kong pala yun. Apat na yung tumitira sa kanyang tres. 28 drives. Foul. Who's foul rep? Number 13. 14. 13. 1-3. Shooting foul. Second personal, first team foul. Ganda ng spin. Pasok. First attempt.
Ikot eh. 21 di pumayo.
Pasok.
Yung pumalo. 21 yung pumalo.
Easy to. Squad 13. 13 drives. Back pass to number 21. Step back. Tumirang tres. No good. Pasok. Change 5. Change 5.
First aid ka? First aid. Boss, naiiwan ko boss. Sorry. Nakalmo. Ang baba, si Kumis.
Naiwan ko meron akong box ng first aid. Sorry, naiwan ko yung first aid box. Wala kasi nasusugatan eh. Bigat eh. Number 9. 12 to shoot. Ganda ng pasa. Nilabas ulit. 5 to shoot. 3 seconds violation. To number 7. Pinasa sa labas. May konting shoving. 7. Tumirang tres. No good. Rebound by. Nakuha ni number 15. Pinasa to 26. Galing. Nabas ka 26. Bound. Konting bump. Kinapos nga lang. Naubusan sa bump. Number 7. Na nakawa na naman, pero lumagpas. Easy 2. Number 5. 2. Number 9. Number 9. Bigyan tumira press. No good. Rebound by number 88. No good pa rin. Same ball, 18 to shoot. No good. Air ball. Eight kanina yung shot clock, sorry. Go, go. 26, tumira. No go. Rebound by number 0. Taas ko number 20. 20 drives. Boarding. Number 5. To number 9. Number 9. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Wala. Quarter 31. From number 17. Baligay 20. Tumirang 3. Bounce. Chill lang. 14 to shoot. Bola ng block. 31. Pass to 20. Tumira 3. No good. Sinubukan pa rin number 20 Allen. 26. 26 drive. Wala. Maraking chair si number 26. Wise move. Pinababa ang bola. Pass to number 7. To 0. Foul. Who's foul that? Foul number 9. Second personal, first team foul. Last 1 minute and 5 seconds sa ating second quarter. Tumira 3. Wala, naubos. Nauwa ni number 5. Number 5 drives. Swap by behind. Pero nakuha ulit ni number 9. Sipag ni number 9. Pinalusot sa maraming sinet. Tumulak ng konti. No good. 2 for 2. (31) 32 seconds sa ating second quarter. Pass to number 17. Basic. Basic shot. Number 5. To shoot. Balikin 26. Wala. Rebound by number 0. Kuhani. Pass replay. Foul. Foul number 9. Third personal, second team foul. Three seconds na lang natitira sa second quarter. Bang. Putik. Oh, pasok. Paano natin? Bang. 3 seconds. Natitira sa atin. End of our second quarter. Pass to 81. Stop and pop. Yun. Ganda. Ayaw ba yan? Third quarter ba lang? 13. Pass to number 7. Bigyan tumirang press. No good. 28. To 81 takes. No good. Rebound by, yan. Rebound by number 7. Drives. Spin move. Manu Ginobili. At Parker pala. 81. 28. 28 sets. Pass to number 18. Balikin 28. Balikan na silang bola. 9 to shoot. No. Paso. Steal by 81. 81 drives. Layup. Good for 2. 13. Binababa ang bola. Pass 21. Nilagay na naman 21. 28. Dalawa sila. 18. Binalik yung 28. Tumira. Pasok. 3 points. 2 points. Long 2 lang. 7. Bang. Stop, one stop shot, parang si Belong lang yun ah. Nung isang araw, 81, tumira, terrible, rebound ba, naguha ni number 14, 14 to 21, bounce pass to 7, stop, tumirang press, automatic, 28, slowly dribbling the ball, 34. Hindi. Asa ba? Pasok. Steal. By 13. No good. Tumama sa paa. Pero, naku, laking binaga mo. No good. Air ball. By 14 to 7. Uy, reverse. Nakuha ni 81. Bounce pass, balik. Bounce pass to 7. Biglang tumirang 3. Pasok. Number 7, patakin na po. Easy 2. Nalabas na yung bola. 28. Tumira. Pasok. Number 7. To 21. Long 3. Air ball. Sign ESW. Number 7, pataking daw, sir. Back to the ball game. Kala ko long bounce shot to eh. Pinasa sa kalaban. 17. Balikin number 6. Nako, automatic din yan. 31. Perimeter no good. Nakuha ni 27. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Tapos. Same ball. 16 to shoot. 27. Air ball ulit. Rebound by number 7. Pinasa sa. Nakuha pa rin 31. Bilis naman 31. Outside pass to number 6. 20. Ito yung nagpaulang kanina eh. Pass to 31. 9 to shoot. Rebound by 81. 81 drives. Steal. Steal by number 0. Number 0 drives. Nakuha ni 31 pa rin. 15 to shoot. Bigla tumirang 3. Pasok. parang pinalo up na lang yung 3. Number 9. Pass to 81. 81 tumirang 3. No good. Kuha sa practice. Number 20. Take shot. 15 to shoot.
ganun din.
Tumirang 3, air ball. 81, sumagasa. No good. Number 6. Okay, number 0. Boarding. Number 9. Tumirang 3. Bang! Pamatay sunog. Si number 27. Naku, bumante. Parang ano, spot lang sa bilyar. Tumirang 3. No good. Underpass. Bad pass. Substitution. Number 9. Discarte. Takes, no good. Rebound by. Sablay, sumublay din si number 6. 27. Bang! Yung 27 pala dapat. Hook shot. Good mo ng bounce pass number 5. Sobrang lakas lang. One number 6. Cross. Balikin 31. Shoot number 20. No, 20. May 0 pa yun. 26. Behind the back. Pero still by number 0. Sorry. Yung reset. Press. Bang. Lista mo na yan. Lista mo na. Number 9. So number 27. 27. Floater. No good. Number 5. 5 to shoot. No good pa rin. Last 20 seconds sa ating third quarter. Last 10 seconds. Patay na. Walang yaba. 4 seconds. End of our third quarter. Back to the ball game. Change araw na tayo, batang Rebels ball na. Asa doon? Pasok ba sa ano? Hindi sa shot? Okay. 24 seconds tayo. Good. Seven. Ilagay. Hindi. Sablay. Same ball. ESW. 28. Slowly moving the ball. 28 Discarte. Mula sa kay number 88. Bahay niyo pa. Kuha niyo. Number 14. Pinasa kay number 7. Bad pass. 14. Pili ka lang titira sa 3 eh. Traveling violation. Easy lang daw, coach. Pass to Tendo. Tendo. Libre. Tumira. Bang. 2 points, 3 points. 2 points. Long lang, long 2. 13. 2. 7. Ilabas ulit. Layo na 3. Pasok pa rin. Pipili ka na. Parang nagulat. No good. 20 coach. Number 6. Hey. Perimeter. No good. Rebound by. Kuha pa rin ang Krame. Number 7. So number 21. Ganda ng top sa likod. 20 to shoot. Wala na raw substitution niya, bro. Baka number 6. Pwede. Pagkakasap pa yan. Good for you. Diba? Kung nagpasap ka, hindi ka makashoot ng 2 points. Nako, 7. 8 times. Bang! Hawa. 13. Easy 2. Para PSW. Back to the ball game.
May hindi ka alam.
28. Pass to coach. Yun na. Hey! Easy 2 points by number 6. Kaya Biab. Lanaw. Pasok ulit. Binawi lang. Pasok 15. Steal. By 13. Alley play. No good. Kebla, coach. Steal, bad pass. 21. Stop. Wala na stop. Diretso lang. Nako, steal pa si number 27. Titiran. 14. Too strong. Pass break play. Steal pa rin by 21. Bounce pass. Steal. Good defend by coach. Seven, 2. Tumiran stress, no good. Rebound by 24. Pinababa bola. Nice shot by number 18. Easy 2. Pass break play, Loge. Uy, foul. Substitution. Foul number 27. Sinong na may foul, Rep? 28. Yun, 28.
Sa sub ba? Wait lang. And then, pag-shoot, pass.
Pag-shoot. Yung second shot. Pasok. Substitution. Isa lang, pasok. Tuwirang tres. No good. Rebound by number 8-0. 31. Pass to number 6. Number 6, bigat tumira. Air ball. 27. Crossover by 27. 124. Number drive. Skirmish. Wala. Pinasa sa wala. Out of bounds. Sino? 25, yes. 25. Yan na. Number 20. To number 6. Uy! May konting shot. 0. Offensive foul. First personal, first team foul. Nagka-foul din ang ating Fernandez. Dan. Tapos. Ano pa pagka-shoot yun? Yung cheer. 31. No good. Fernandez. Now 31. Naku, number 6, automatic. Lista ko na. Bang. 1, 2, 3. 27. Pass to 18. Sumingin pa sa likod. Easy to. Tuhan. Sige lang. 2. Number 6. Lumabas na lang nila oras. Nakuha pa rin ni number 15. Pasa kay 27. Balik kay 18. 25. Iyan! Supply. Rebound by 31. Ako 31. Ayaw tumira ni 31 sa tres. Number 20. Nako, matik. Supply. Ayaw talaga. 8 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Good.
No. Yes.
Long 3 by 27. No good. Rebound by 31. Light na lang, light. Tumirang tres! Pumusok. Pare, meron pala pre. Cards meron. Hernandez. Pass to number 6. Emata. Bang. Sino daw lalaman 3-point shoot up? Si Benok lang, si Benok. Number 15. Number pa rin. Bang. Time out. ESW for the ball game. Last 1 minute and 12 seconds.
Sa player of the game. Tingin mo?
Tuwira tres. No good. Rebound by 0. 31. Kala ko, oras pa rin si 31 eh. Yan, oras ka na. Yan. Number 12. Number 0. Pass to number 6. Nako, matik na naman. Sumabla eh. Ngayon lang. Coach, number 6. Nabiyag, airball. Yun, good pitching. Pinakasakalan sa kalaban. Last 26 seconds. 17. Last 18 seconds. Pasok. Good day, good day.